How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our K-Force 18 TIR. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cable here, and then you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. So today I'll be using our optional SIG plug, and again that will plug in via connector here. So I'll go ahead and get my cigarette lighter plug hooked up, and then I'll hook this up to power here. And then on your cigarette lighter plug, you have your on-off switch with your LED indicator showing your light bar is on. And then you have your flash pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for about 2 seconds, your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And then if you hold your flash pattern button down for about 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring an amber unit with me today, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought our red, blue, and our half-half color setup. And here I brought our green clear in our alternating color setup. But again, you can get any color in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, or alternating. And you can even use our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice my light bars are on different flash patterns here, but all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice on the bottom of your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll get your included magnetic feet here, which you can slide along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then if you need to permanently mount your light bar, we do offer our permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack bracket, which you'll mount using the existing hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 18 TIR. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.